Roy Halou Jr., Deshaun Jackson, Chris Johnson, Jeff Fuller, Dolphins. We got Jason Witten for the Cowboys, Matt Moore, McGahee, Bolden. Ed Reed, Ryan Grant, Jonathan Stewart, wide receiver for the Broncos, Ronnie Hillman. We got a rookie for the Eagles, Michael Kendricks, Ryan Matthews, Darren Sproles, Patrick Willis. Might just be easier to watch the recap video here. This angle blows. I'll try and fix it for next week. Got Sidney Rice, Brian Hartline, Wes Welker. I don't know. Blaine Gabbert, Kevin Kolb, DeQuell Jackson, Spacer, and Darren Sproles, and Iloka for the Bengals. Never heard of him. Mendenhall, D'Angelo Hall, Jason Babin, Brandon Whedon, rookie for the Browns, and Buddy for fun. We got Bills ticket, TJ Graham. I hate these cards. Finley, Beason, and this one is numbered. Extra points for the Cincinnati Bengals, Dre Kirkpatrick. I don't understand why they can't just put all the cards in normal, facing the right way. They like to mix it up. Sean Green, Doug Baldwin, Jared Allen. We got prestigious picks for Russell Wilson and Reuben Randall, Spacer, Jones Drew, Peyton Hillis, Beanie Wells. So far, it's underwhelming. Like to see some huge hits coming out of here soon. Carson Palmer, Chris Long, Santonio Holmes. We got Javid Best, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Andre Caldwell. And we got a huge jersey here for Davier Posey and the Houston Texans. Alright, and Justin Blackmon. It's a nice card for Jags. And the Giants. And let me just check who had Houston. Houston was Rafa 0408. Alright. So we got our two jerseys out of the way. Reggie Bush, Von Miller, Ray Lewis. Ticket for the Jets, Stephen Hill. Stephen Gilmore for the Bills. Golden Tate, Michael Jenkins, Heath Miller. 5 packs to go. Adrian Peterson, Troy Polamalu, Aaron Hernandez, Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. We got, who is this? Seahawks, Turbin again. Jordy Nelson, Greg Olson, and an autograph for the St. Louis Rams. Don't know who it is. Let me check. Brian Quick for the St. Louis Rams. Rafa 0408 gets a on-card auto. I'm guessing that's not the only auto in there. So 4 packs left. Let's see what else we got. Brandon Marshall, Tim Tebow for the Jets, not the Broncos. Ray Rice and Ryan Matthews, extra points, not numbered. Kendall Wright. We got Ben Roethlisberger, London Fletcher, Jeremy Maclin. Alright, we got Greg Jennings, Steve Smith, Des Bryant, Spacer, Wes Welker, Lamar Miller for the Dolphins, Guy for the Philly, Eagles, Mike Williams, and LaDainian Tomlinson. 2 packs to go. Robert Meacham, Brent Selleck, Jason McCourty, Roddy White, Charles Woodson, and we have an autograph. Not bad. Brock Osweiler for the Denver Broncos and Nooms. So it's a sticker, but still it's a rookie autograph, quarterback. Always good. And it is numbered 95 out of 299. So nice hit there for Nooms. We got Michael Vick and McNutt. Alright, we got Nate Washington, Jacoby Ford, LeGarrette Blount, Eric Decker, Donald Brown, Jerome Simpson, Andrew Luck. Nice one. Not numbered. And Nick Perry. So there it is. Be right back with the bonus video.